Here's how we clean the coils on the Whirlpool Gold side-by-side refrigerator. To start out, you'll need a vacuum, small attachment, coil brush, and a flashlight. First thing you need to do is take off the grate at the bottom of the refrigerator. It simply just pulls right off. There's a clip on either side. Once we get that off, we'll look and see the tab. There's a tab located right here. And there's another tab on the other side located right here. We'll set that off to the side as we no longer need that for now. And as you can see, looking down under here, there's just a blanket of dust, hair, dirt. This gets especially bad if you have pets, cats, dogs. All their loose hairs get sucked in by the compressor motor. As you can see here, this is where it's blowing out. The hairs get sucked in and they just blanket your coil. And by blanketing the coil, keeps it from transferring the heat from the refrigerator. So by cleaning your refrigerator every 6 months to a year, it'll make it run more efficient. Once I get all the large parts out with the vacuum, I'll go ahead and get my coil brush and just kind of scrub around the coil, in between the coils, and I'll have my vacuum going to suck up any dirt. This coil brushes can be picked up for around $10 at any hardware store, and what you do is just shove it in between the coils. It breaks loose any of the fine dust that's clinging to the coils. And here we have a look at the cleaned coils underneath the refrigerator. These nice clean coils will cause the refrigerator to run easier, cooler, and more efficient, causing the refrigerator to last longer. And I usually recommend doing this every 6 months to a year. All that's left to do is to put the front cover back on. The easiest way I found to do this is to open both doors and simply line the tabs up with the front of the refrigerator. And there you have it. That's how you clean the coils on a Whirlpool Gold refrigerator.